Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your carrier voicemail is active. Without it, the phone's voicemail setup won't complete. Once confirmed, unlock the iPhone and open the phone app. Tap the voicemail tab at the lower right to begin the built-in setup flow. If this is your first time, you'll see Setup Now. Tap it. You're doing this because the phone app links directly to carrier voicemail and provides the guided recording and PIN steps. Now you'll create a voicemail PIN when the phone requests one. This secures access to messages, so pick something memorable but not obvious. Next, choose a greeting, tap Custom to record a personal message, or select Default to use the carriers. Press Stop, then Save to store the greeting. Make sure to follow any additional on-screen prompts to confirm and finish setup. These steps link your voice greeting and PIN to the carrier. Finish by testing voicemail. Call your number from another phone and confirm it goes to your new greeting and records a message. Once done, open the visual voicemail list in the phone app to see messages and playback controls. If you don't see voicemail or the test fails, restart the iPhone and ensure cellular data or Wi-Fi calling is enabled. Make sure your carrier supports visual voicemail. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Often they can reset voicemail provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.